Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on 13 effective home remedies to eliminate heart attacks. Heart attacks are a serious and potentially life-threatening condition, but there are many natural remedies that you can use to reduce your risk and prevent heart attacks. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective home remedies that you can use to protect your heart and keep it healthy. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural blood thinner that can help prevent blood clots that can lead to heart attacks. It also helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are two of the main risk factors for heart attacks. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce inflammation in the arteries and prevent plaque buildup. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow, which can reduce your risk of heart attacks. 3. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and prevent damage to the arteries. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow, which can reduce your risk of heart attacks. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural blood sugar regulator that can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels that can damage the arteries. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow, which can reduce your risk of heart attacks. 5. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce inflammation in the arteries and prevent plaque buildup. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow, which can reduce your risk of heart attacks. 6. Exercise. Regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to prevent heart attacks. It helps to improve cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation in the arteries. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health and can help to reduce inflammation in the arteries and prevent plaque buildup. You can get omega-3 fatty acids from foods like fish, nuts, and seeds, or you can take supplements. 8. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that is crucial for heart health and can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attacks. You can get magnesium from foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or you can take supplements. 9. Stress management. Chronic stress is a major risk factor for heart attacks, so it's important to find ways to manage stress in your life. This can include things like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 10. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the biggest risk factors for heart attacks, so quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do to protect your heart. There are many resources available to help you quit smoking, including nicotine replacement therapy and support groups. 11. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a natural remedy that can help to improve cardiovascular health by dilating the blood vessels and improving blood flow. It also has antioxidant properties that can help to reduce inflammation and prevent plaque buildup. 12. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart attacks. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the arteries. 13. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for heart health and can help to reduce the risk of heart attacks. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, or you can take supplements. Conclusion. So there you have it, 13 effective home remedies to eliminate heart attacks. By incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine, you can help to protect your heart and reduce your risk of heart attacks. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or exercise regimen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Get ready to be amazed in our next video. We can't wait to see you there.